Hey, let's learn how to play MASH. It's a silly and fun kids game for predicting their future. It only takes paper and pencil, and it's quiet, except for the giggles. So this is the MASH game, M-A-S-H, which stands for mansion, apartment, shack, or house. This is one category of things that might happen in the kids' futures, what kind of house they'll have. So let's come up with some more categories of things that they might have in their future. How about if we do their possible job? Let's make some options in there. How about being a lawyer, a teacher, working in road construction, or a farmer? Now you could put some silly ones in there too, like, well, let's put one silly one in there. How about toilet paper changer or something really silly if you want. Now, where might they live? They might live on the beach or the mountains, maybe in the desert. I have a friend that would like to live there. Or the prairie, or maybe in the dump. Okay, what kind of car might they have? They might have a Jeep or a minivan, a pickup truck, a sports car, or maybe a junker. And let's see, how about a pet? A cat, a dog, how about a rock, a pet rock, goldfish, or a horse? You can have as many different items as you want. You can even make more categories. Some people like to put in there like their marriage, and they would put the names of some people in there that they know, and maybe a silly one or two, and then maybe how many kids they'll have. So I'm going to leave those off and just do these categories. And so remember, M is for mansion, A is for apartment, S is for shack, and H is for a house, and then we have 4 other categories. To play this game, now we need to cross out some of these different options. To do that, we need a certain number, and then we're going to count through and cross off. So here's how you find your number. I'm going to make a spiral, and the other person, pretend there's another person, is going to turn their back, and then I'm going to say start, and they can choose when to say stop, and then I will stop making my spiral. Let me show you so it makes sense. Start. Stop. Okay, then that person can turn around and look, and I'm going to draw a line from the center of my spiral out to the edge, and I'm going to count how many times it crosses the line. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my number is 5. So after determining your magic number, you'll start at the M and you're going to count to 5, and every time you hit 5, you're going to cross that option out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm not going to be a TP changer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I don't cross this one out because I need to leave 1 for each category. I'm going to work on a farm. I'm going to be a farmer, I should say. So let's see, 1, 2. Oh, I'm going to have a horse for a pet. 1, 2. Oh, I'm going to live on the dump. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. I'm going to live in a house. 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to drive a junker. So I am going to live in a house, I'm going to be a farmer, I'm going to drive a junker, and live at the dump with a pet horse. So you can see how it's fun. You can get some good giggles, especially if you have some silly answers like I did. So now you know how to play the game MASH, and you can see that it is a silly and fun one. And this can change to anything that you want, any different categories, and then you can put different options in there, which makes it a lot of fun and very silly. For more great game and craft ideas, come on over to welcometonanas.com and join the fun.